I pasted in a lead list 40 seconds ago and haven't touched it since. One just got closed, one just got rejected, 5 agents made those calls on deal economics, on fit, on margin, and they're already onto the next one. This is what it looks like when your pipeline runs itself. Every sales leader I've ever talked to says the same thing. Their representatives spend maybe 30% of their actual time selling, the rest is CRM updates, proposals formatting, chasing approvals, writing follow-up emails about the follow-up emails. That's not a people problem. That's an infrastructure problem. And this is what fixing it looks like. Let me show you how it works. Last time, you watched AI agents run an entire hiring pipeline. Today, we're running sales. 5 new agents, each one built for a specific stage of the deal cycle. First, the lead generator, top of funnel engine. He sources leads, scores them on fit and intent, and feeds the pipeline. The account executive, your closer, he runs discovery, qualifies deals on budget and timeline, and builds custom proposals with ROI and analysis baked in. The solutions engineer, technical pre-sales. When a prospect needs a proof of concept or a custom demo environment, he builds it. Almost done? The contract specialist. Negotiations, legal review, MSA templates, final signatures. He handles the paperwork that kills deal velocity at most companies. And finally, the sales manager. He's the coordinator, reviewing deal economics, approving discounts, making sure nothing slips through. Think of him as the operating system for the whole team. 5 agents, each specialized, sharing context instantly through Google's A2A protocol. No deals falling through the cracks. Time to put them to work. Let's clock them in. Alright, this form is live. I'm going to submit a deal list, pretty much a batch of prospects from an inbound campaign. Without wasting time, the lead generator is scoring each one on budget, contact seniority, timeline, fit. Every deal gets assessed before anything moves forward. Now, what you're seeing here is seeded data. The simulation ships with 15 realistic company profiles, so you can experience the full pipeline without connecting anything. But in production, these same agents plug in directly into your CRM, Salesforce, HubSpot, or whatever your deals live. Same agents, same data. The account executive picks up every qualified lead, bases itself on discovery notes, pain points, budget confirmation, decision timeline, and updates the board accordingly. That's not a status update. It's a structured assessment the rest of the team can act on immediately. Once discovery clears, the account executive builds the proposal, ROI analysis, pricing, the whole package. And the moment it's done, the contract specialist takes over. MSA template applied, terms reviewed, sent for legal sign-off. No handoff email, no waiting for someone to notice. Here's the moment that actually matters. Not every deal closes. The sales manager reviews the economics. One gets approved, stage gate passed, deal closed, another, budget doesn't meet the minimum threshold, close lost. The system is not just pushing everything through, it's making real decisions. Budget thresholds, margin requirements, risk flags, deals that shouldn't close, don't close. This is the whole cycle, lead to close, running autonomously while you watch. Here's the honest version of why this is useful. Your reps are not slow. They're just doing the wrong things. The swarm handles the overhead. It scans the pipeline every few seconds. If a deal is stuck in qualification, the account executive picks it up. If a contract needs drafting, it gets drafted. If a deal needs manager approval, the sales manager reviews it. Nothing stalls, nothing gets forgotten. What you get back is the 30% that actually moves revenue. Your reps run the conversations that can't be automated. The relationship, the nuance, the judgment call, at the end of a hard negotiation. The pipeline just keeps moving while they do that. This has been Agent Scrum. 1 template, 5 agents, a completely different domain from the last video. Same platform as last time. Hiring then, sales today. You swap the template, the agents adapt. If you want to see what this feels like, the link is in the description. Load the simulation, paste in a deal list, walk away, come back and see what closed. I've been Tiago with 10 Drops. Thanks for watching.